Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Latesha Lynch. I started this YouTube channel because I have been doing marketing and graphic design since 2006, and in my journey to becoming a bigger freelancer and gaining more independence in my business life, I realized that it costs a lot of money to start a small business. And so many tools exist to help you run your business, and you just honestly just don't know where to start. And that's where I come in. I want to help small business owners like myself and digital influencers to figure out where they should invest their money, which tools are going to be the easiest for them to use and save them the most time, because I have wasted a lot of my own time just using things that were just too complicated, too expensive. I spent way more money than I was making for so long, and I think it's time to share a lot of that stuff in one place. There are so many websites that'll give you tips on, SEO, and another website that'll tell you how to run your Instagram, and another website that'll tell you how to do your branding. But there isn't a place, not a lot of places, that'll tell you everything in one central location. So I have my website, LeteshaLynch.com, where I share blog posts on different things regarding marketing and how to brand your business, and why it's important to pay attention to social media tools, what's going on with Facebook's algorithm, how to use Canva if you don't know how to do graphic design, why Lightroom presets are the shiz right now, and how you can set your own and stop paying all these people to make them for you. I can make them for you, help you grow your Instagram account. There's so many things that I can help you with that I'm going to share on my website and through this YouTube channel, so subscribe to it. I would love the support. I feel like small business owners need to support one another because we all have something to contribute. I have so many Instagram accounts that I run. I've grown my most recent Instagram account that I share with my mom as a blog. We've grown it from zero, obviously. March the 22nd, we started that account, and it's already up to 700 followers. Tell me I don't know how to grow a business, and these are real people that I didn't have to purchase. So I'm telling you, I would love to help you grow your business, figure out how to build your digital brand, start your branding. Do you need a logo? I got you. Do you need color, palette? You need a color palette. You need your website design. Do you need someone to consult with you to tell you how to run your Instagram? Do you need someone to run your Instagram? Tell me what you need and I can help you. Or you can just subscribe to the channel and you can get all the tips for free without having to worry about being bothered with me. But I hope that you see this as a great resource for tutorials on the best equipment to use for your business. Like right now I'm using this amazing ring light that's not the official ring light, and it was only $79 compared to like the $200 it costs for a real ring light. I will share stuff like that. I invested in Adobe, but I know that Canva is free and amazing to use. So just sharing tips like that, I think, will really go a long way in this industry, and keep an open dialogue with you small business owners and digital influencers. You see all these great looking Instagram accounts, they're using Lightroom presets. I can help you with that. So anyway, like I said, I'm Latesha. My website is LeteshaLynch.com. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook as Latesha Lynch. And again, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I will subscribe back. I will answer all of your comments, and you can email me anytime, Latesha@LeteshaLynch.com. I look forward to sharing so much with you on marketing, blogging, and branding. See you guys.